Hey guys, let me teach you how to make gathers without stress. Very easy method and I know you will love to try it. So you just fix your reel and short to the normal way you normally used to sew, and after that, here comes the trick. You look at this long thing, you just pass your thread in front of it and then come down, take this one up and pass it under it and you drag. So when you're dragging and it's moving, you know you're at the right side. But when you're dragging the thread and it is not moving, you have to redo it again, because the thread needs to move freely for you to get that gather on your fabric. So you will bring out your thread, and when you're bringing out your thread, make sure that the down thread is longer than the upper thread, because the down thread now will help you adjust the gather. If the gather is too much, the down thread will help you adjust. So you put your fabric and then you sew. Look how our gather is forming. And when you are done sewing, you also leave that same down thread, also leave excess thread again for you to adjust. You look at it, see how I'm adjusting, because I left excess thread for adjustment. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.